Hello everyone, Andy's here. Welcome to my channel, Mandarin Studios. Today I'm going to show you a very frequently used Chinese character. Now let's get started. The character we're about to learn today is pronounced wen, which is the fourth tone. This character is composed of 6 writing strokes, with an upper enclosed structure, as shown here on the left in the animated image. The character wen is often used as a verb in a sentence. It means to ask, to question, or to intervene. Wen is listed as one of the most frequently used beginner level 1 characters in the Chinese proficiency test, or HSK. The writing stroke order of wen is indicated as follows. The character wen first appeared in oracle-bone scripts in Shang Dynasty in Chinese history. It was gradually evolved into a small seal script in Qing Dynasty, as shown here on the right. The writing form of this character did not experience a fundamental change since Qing Dynasty. You can see from here that there is a very minor difference between the oracle-bone script and the modern traditional Chinese character in terms of the writing form of this character. This character has 2 different components. The outer part actually means the door or gate, and the inner part means mouth. So, the ideographic meaning of this character in ancient Chinese is someone asking a question outside the door. Here you can see the different writing forms of this character at the different stages of the Chinese history. Now, I'd like to give a summary to the usage of this character wen. Wen is used as a verb. It means to ask, to inquire, to question, or to ask about. The relevant vocabulary words include 问好, means send one's regards to or to say hello to. 问候 means to send one's regards to or to extend greetings to. 问话 means to inquire. 问号 means question mark. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. See you next time.